Okay, now we're trying to get out of here. After hours drop off. Oh.
Oh wait, this car will trip it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're not big enough.
You say the right word. Open sesame.
Thank you, sir.
You gotta go left.
Yeah. Oh, that was funny. We weren't big enough to open the gate. We had to wait for a car to come through. So, as you can see, we're doing something slightly different today. If you look at John and Rodney's bikes, you're going to see we're missing about 160 pounds worth of stuff on 2 bicycles. We don't have the bags on today. What we're doing is we are riding to Jacksonville Airport to pick up Rodney's truck, and then instead of paying for another night at a hotel, we're going to drive back here to the golf resort and spend the night here, leave tomorrow morning, then Rodney's going to drop John and I off back where we need to be. So yeah, that's the plan for today, and a little bit of what happened tomorrow. So actually, I think everything's working correctly on my camera this morning, so I'll have correct video. So we'll do this going backwards. So the golf resort, actually coming into the golf resort yesterday was quite the highlight, I believe. This is not a typical entrance to a resort or even a hotel that we would experience, but this is all the entrance. We're just going out instead of coming in. Also, you would have noticed this morning, John's always had that long sleeve shirt and we'll wear it when it's warm out, but Rodney and I both got long sleeves on today. It's in the high 50s this morning, so we know it's going to warm up, but just my mirror. But it's cold this morning, so we got a way to carry the gear as we shed it throughout the course of the day. The route today, we are going to be going, it's about 50 miles. The first 20 miles is somewhat rural, and then the last 30 miles is all in town in Jacksonville. So we will be downtown Jacksonville today as well. So there you can see the bright candle in the sky over my left shoulder there. So yeah, let's see what today brings. Morning. So just a more view of the golf village that we're leaving. So just riding on the sidewalk with the rush hour traffic. They do have a bike lane over there, but just to play it safe. So it's about a 50-mile ride. We're 10 miles into it this morning, so we should get there around 12. So yeah, let's see what the rest of the day brings. Just a quick check of Google Maps to make sure we're on the right pathway here. Got to go up over this busy highway, avoid the traffic. It puts us on the wrong side of the road, but we don't mix it with the cars. So you got Rodney up front, and John's there on my left. Hill climb's a lot lighter without 80 extra pounds. And down to the other side. So when we get on a new section of road, we ride on the sidewalk for a while and assess what the road traffic looks like. And if we feel that it's good to ride on the road, we jump out on the road, which is probably I would say 2 miles an hour faster. So it's not about the speed, but you just find a nice, comfortable pace to ride at, and you're not getting beat up by the vibrations of the road, or the sidewalk. So I think we're officially in Jacksonville now. The airport, we're entering from the south. The airport's on the north side of town. So yeah, still got it looks like about 28 miles to go, so about 2/5 of the way there. So we had our first flat tire run over a piece of debris on the back tire on John's bike, so changing a flat real quick. Looks like he's got a good handle on it. We'll be up and running here in about 20 minutes or so. Well, we got our flat tire changed back there. So, didn't take as long as we thought. Went well. And we're off again. Well, we're out of the suburbs and are getting closer to downtown. It's a lot more commercialized and all the housing has disappeared. So, yeah, just working our way towards the city center. We do have one bridge crossing we have to do here, I think, right before we get into the city center. I might be coming up here pretty quick. Got John up front. Rodney's in the back there. Yep, getting close. So, it's an old drawbridge that we're going to cross here. That'll give us a lot of room, so we'll take our time. But those two tall structures that you'll see here in just a second look like it's over the top of the bridge is the towers that will lift the part of the bridge that raises to let the boats under. So we'll make our way over here. Drawbridge part. This part of the bridge that we're on is what goes up in the air. It lifts level. So lifting mechanisms are on both sides of the river. Almost to the other side here. And now, for the most part, we're off the bridge. Now we're out of the city center. We're 40 miles into the 50. 10 more to the airport.